Craving a juicy, homemade Japanese hamburger steak? Let's make this delicious family favorite together. These simple ingredients come together to make one of Japan's favorite comfort foods. Start by peeling and finely chopping one onion. Small, even pieces will cook faster and blend perfectly into the hamburger steak. Heat the butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook slowly until it's soft, sweet, and lightly golden. Set it aside to cool. In a large bowl, add the ground beef, ground pork, cooled onions, egg, panko soaked in milk, salt, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix everything together with your hands until the ingredients are fully combined and the mixture becomes smooth and slightly sticky. Take a handful of the meat mixture and gently shape it into a thick, oval hamburger steak. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Place the patties into a lightly oiled frying pan. Cook over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Pour in the beef stock. Then add the Worcestershire sauce and ketchup. Let the sauce simmer gently until it thickens into a rich, glossy onion gravy. Serve the juicy hamburger steak with creamy mashed potatoes, steamed broccoli, carrots, and fluffy rice.